Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Matt McFarlane here in lovely Caledon East. This is going to be a fun job. I grew up about 15 minutes from here, so this is wonderful. In the truck waiting for my lovely team to show up so we can get going here. We're doing some Armour stone on this one, topsoil, plant materials, some pyramidal oaks. It's going to be a wonderful transformation. Keep it locked here. We'll show you the progress via video thanks to our little drone Apis. And growingseasoncanada.com for all of your horticultural landscape design, consult, and install needs. Thanks so much. Have a great day.